Here are 3 amazing features for RV Life Trip Wizard, and one of them just may be a secret. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV-safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Let's get started with our first feature, finding the elevation of a route. This is so important when you're planning trips. When you add your stops in Trip Wizard, if you look at the bottom of the screen, there is a tab that says elevation. And when you click that, it will show you the elevation of your route. This will allow you to plan for those moving day climbs. Our next feature is reordering stops. When you add your stops in Trip Wizard, they can start adding up because you're finding new and exciting places to go. You may want to reorder the way you get there. On the left side of Trip Wizard, you will see all of your stops. Now just click and drag. This will change your route and you can see it reflected on the map side. And our last feature for the video, carrying propane. Because of it being heavily frowned upon to go through tunnels when you're carrying propane, inside Trip Wizard, when you're setting up your rig, this is where you would check carrying propane, and in the trip planner, you want to avoid tunnels. This example, in Mobile, Alabama, it will bring you an alternate route which will go around the tunnel and bring you back to the interstate, where if you were carrying propane, not avoiding the tunnels, it will bring you through the tunnel in Mobile, Alabama. Well, I believe that's going to wrap it up for this video, and if you got any value out of it, please smash that like and subscribe button, comment down below. Let me know what you think about these features. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.